Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Bell CB. We've got a Cobra 29 WXNWST. We did a MOSFET final. We put echo right here. We did some talkback, and we did this for Tony in Connecticut. Okay, so this is what we got inside this radio. We have a TRB X3 echo board right here, and I mounted that right there at my own hole. The echo control comes over to here, double stack there. Now it used to be the SWR Cal, so I made those wires longer and I ran them over here and put that on the back of the radio. It's not used very often, and it doesn't matter if you hit it or bump it, because it doesn't matter where you leave that knob until you're using it. On the back side of the radio, let's see here. Alright, on this first pad up here, I cut it down the middle. That allows me to separate my in and out audio. And I have that underneath some hot glue. And here is the transmit pad. So we have these two guys here. They both go to transmit. Sometimes you'll see me just cut one of those off, but today I just put them both there. And we come further down, we have the 12 volt connection right there. And it's underneath here, it's hard to see, but underneath here there's the black ground wire that comes over here to ground right there. Okay. I did some common trying to tie some of this inner grounds together to stabilize the radio's audio. I think this is R48 right here. I changed that to a 390k ohm resistor. Over here are some tuning caps that were added for the MOSFET final. The MOSFET final is located right there. Okay. I told you this is a tune-up report, so let's get over here. On the watt meter, 10 watts across the top, coming in right about 5. And over here we got a 50 watt slug. We'll be reading peak power just between the 30 and the 40 watts. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah. Breaker, run down for a radio check. How about 19's my radio getting out? Come out. I appreciate it, thank you.